What's up guys, welcome back to YTC. So what we have here is Apple's second generation of the AirPods Pro 2. You get a USB-C to Lightning cable. Some ear tips for different sizes. So you get extra small, small and large. Some speakers and a lightning port on the LED. It looks very similar to the first generation in terms of design. So let's try connect the new AirPods to an iPhone. So as soon as I open it, there's a chime and immediately the AirPods symbol comes. Say connect. And the chime immediately tells you it's connected. So that's a really nifty feature about the chiming. It really does help. So right here we have a control where you can adjust the volume by swiping up or down the stem. That's pretty neat. In the old one you always had to press the volume rocker on the phone. And you can add more controls from the phone itself. And that's it guys, that's pretty much the setup process. As you can see, it literally takes seconds to complete. Apple have made it very easy to use the AirPods with an iPhone. It's so seamless and so easy to connect. And let me know below in the comments section whether you'd like to see a comparison in terms of audio between the second generation Apple AirPods Pro and the first generation, whether it's worth upgrading. But until then guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.